Hello dear fans. What is mechanics? Getting to know physics doesn't end at school. Physics is needed not only by scientists, everyone needs it, engineers, doctors, teachers, designers, cooks. Any process or phenomenon is based on a physical theory. What does physics study? Physics is the science of nature. There are many branches of physics: mechanics, electricity, nuclear physics, thermal and molecular physics, etc. One of the fundamental branches of physical science is mechanics. Instructions. Step 1. Mechanics is a branch of physics that studies the movement of bodies. In physics, bodies are any living and inanimate objects: a table, a car, a person, a dog, etc. The main task of mechanics is to determine the position of the body at any time. Step 2. As in any physical theory, one can conditionally distinguish the foundation, core, and conclusions of mechanics. The basis of the mechanical theory is idealized objects, a material point, a certain number of experimental facts, the experiments of Galileo, Cavendish, etc., the main physical quantities, displacement, speed, acceleration, mass of a material point. Step 3. The core of mechanical theory contains a system of abstractions, postulates about the homogeneity and isotropy of space, about the homogeneity of time, about the instantaneous interaction of one body with another without material intermediaries, Newton's laws, the principle of independence of the action of forces, and the formulation of the main problem of mechanics. The conclusion of this theory is the ability to determine the position of a point in space at any time. Step 4. Due to the fact that mechanics is one of the most complex and largest in terms of the volume of information sections of physical science, mechanics, is subdivided into scientific theories: kinematics, dynamics, statics, physics of oscillations and waves, conservation laws. Each of these subsections is of fundamental importance for solving the main problem of mechanics. For example, dynamics studies the reasons for a change in the position of a body in space, kinematics describes the geometric properties of motion without taking into account the masses of bodies and acting forces, and statics studies the conditions for the balance of forces. Studying mechanics is most often possible in school. In the programs of general education secondary schools, mechanics is represented by subsections: fundamentals of kinematics, fundamentals of dynamics, conservation laws, mechanical vibrations, and waves. In kinematics, the types of movements: uniform and uniformly accelerated, rectilinear movements, curvilinear movements, and their characteristics, speed, acceleration, movement, etc., are studied. In dynamics, Newton's laws, the interaction of bodies are considered. When studying free and forced vibrations, the main signs of these movements are distinguished: period, frequency, etc. Thanks for watching.